how to see your child's TikTok Shorts history. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily see your child's TikTok Shorts history. So let's get started. So first thing, simply open up your TikTok application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And if you're using child's TikTok, do the same process. And you can basically tap on the search bar and actually search in for the TikTok Shorts based on their choice. But if you want to see all of their completely TikTok Shorts history, then you can just tap on this profile icon from the bottom right corner, and you can just tap on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and select settings and privacy. And under this content and display option, you should see the option that is activity center. So simply tap on that, and here you should see the option that is search history. So simply select it. Once you select it, you should see all of the TikTok Shorts history from your child. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.